Hello, Snom partner. As you may already have noticed, our help desk has been available to you since March 2021. We have created it so that you can send us support requests quickly and easily, and we can respond with the fastest, most effective and efficient solution possible. I would now like to show you how to access the help desk and how to create a ticket. Registration. The first step is to click on the link below the video, helpdesk.snom.com. Now we can see the login fields. To register a new account, click on Create Account. Here, you enter the required data: first name, last name, company name, telephone number, email address. For Europe, enter the region EMEA, then enter your desired language. Below, in the Snom Partner Status section, it is important to select whether you are already a Snom partner or a reseller interested in joining our partner program. To create your account, you simply have to click on Create. The verification of the registration takes place during business hours and can take up to 4 hours in individual cases. If one of your colleagues has already created an account in the help desk, you will automatically be approved. You will then receive an email with a link to set your login data, for example your username and password. New partners should therefore not wait to register, but should create the account immediately so that they can then open a ticket at any time. Enter the login data you have specified in the login fields and click Login to access our help desk. The first option available to you is the search field, What do you need help with? Here you can enter a search term for your problem and you will receive suggestions from our knowledge base, the Service Hub. You may already find an article referring to the problem you are having and be able to resolve it yourself. However, if you would rather create a ticket, you can do so in the lower section. First, select the product category on the left-hand side, for example, a desk phone, a DECT device, or one of our conference systems. Then, select the type of support you require on the right-hand side. Technical support, requests for more specific technical questions, such as, my phone loses its SIP registration, I can't hear the other person, the LED on a base station is flashing red. First level support, questions about the compatibility of our devices. For example, can I connect the A170 headset to the D785? Does the M300 support DECT repeaters? Is the D735 certified with a specific PBX? You can suggest improvements by submitting suggestions which will be looked at by our product management and checked for feasibility and suitability. You can report defective devices. If your Snom product proves to be defective within the warranty period, you're entitled to repair or replacement. Our RMA team will contact you. Let me show you a quick example. We select the product category Desk Phones and Technical Support. In the Summary section, you enter a short description of the problem you are experiencing. Then you enter the model, for example the D315, the corresponding firmware and the PBX used. You can also add documents and pictures by dragging and dropping them. Then you describe your problem so that our colleagues from technical support can verify exactly what kind of support is required. Finally, just enter the number of affected devices and press Create. Now the ticket is created and our technical support will take care of your concern. In the upper area, you will find your ticket number, HEU24247. You should keep this number handy in case you have any questions. We hope that this short explanatory video was helpful to you and that you will access our support services via this platform in future if required. Thank you for watching.